Want to automate proposal approvals for your team projects? In this quick 3-minute tutorial, I'll show you exactly how to set up automated proposal approvals so your team doesn't waste time manually approving documents and projects. If you're like most people, you've probably tried a few different tools and still haven't found the perfect solution. Well, I've tested several popular software options for automating approval workflows, and in just a moment, I'll share the best one with you, along with a special free trial exclusively for my viewers. Stick around until the end, and I'll walk you through the entire setup. First, let's talk about why automating proposal approvals is a game changer. Manual approvals are time-consuming and prone to errors, especially when you're working with a large team or multiple projects. By automating this process, you'll save time, reduce human error, and streamline collaboration. So, how do you actually automate the approval process? It's easier than you think. The software we'll be using in this video allows you to create custom workflows where proposals are automatically sent to the right people for approval based on preset rules. Whether you're using a template or submitting a proposal, the software automatically routes it to the right person or group, tracks the approval status, and sends out notifications. Here's how it works. First, log into your account and create a new workflow. Select the proposal approval template or set up a new one from scratch. In this step, you'll specify who the proposal needs to go to for review and approval. You can customize the approval process by setting multiple stages. For example, send the proposal to one team member for an initial review, then to another for final approval. Once the workflow is set up, you can integrate it with your existing project management tools like Slack, email, or any other communication platform you're using. That way, when someone approves a proposal, the system automatically notifies everyone involved. No more chasing down team members for updates or wondering where the document is in the approval process. Everything's tracked in real time. But here's the best part. You can set up automatic reminders to keep the process moving. If someone doesn't approve the proposal within a set time frame, the system will send a gentle reminder, or escalate the task to someone else if necessary. It keeps the whole process moving smoothly without manual follow-up. Now, let's talk about the software we'll be using today. I've tried many options, but this one stands out because of its simplicity and power. It automates everything we just discussed, setting up workflows, notifying team members, and tracking approval status. Plus, it integrates with all your favorite tools. You can get started today with an exclusive free trial of this software, only available through this channel. The link to get started is in the description below. Just click it and you'll be able to follow along with this video and set up your own automated proposal approval workflow. Here's your key takeaway. Automating proposal approvals is a simple but powerful way to boost team productivity and reduce unnecessary delays. By setting up automated workflows, you free up your time and ensure projects move forward efficiently. To quickly recap, start by creating a custom workflow, route the proposals to the right people for review, integrate the tool with your communication platform, and set automatic reminders for approvals. Don't forget to grab your free trial of this software in the description if you want to follow along. Thanks for watching, and remember, automation is the key to saving time and improving collaboration.